Hello everyone, you have started watching Vaninomics, myself Gaurav Kumar Vani, and today we are going to learn how to calculate simple average in Excel. So here we have data on store names which are from A to J as well as revenue in rupees. To calculate average, let's write average here, and to perform average, then let's write average, then select all these values of which you want to calculate average, right? And then let's press enter, and here we get average. In a primitive method, what you could have done, which is a primitive method right now, is 1000 plus 1100, 1200, 1050, then 1800, 1900, 2000, 1450 plus 1500 plus 1600. All these you could have put as this is the sum and count. So what is count? Either you can count it by yourself or you can put this a function called count, right? You could have got 10. You could have alternatively got sum as sum. Select all these values. You could have got sum which is the same, right? And then you could have manually calculated average, which is sum divided by count, that is your average, right? So this Excel formula average, it straightway give you the average once you put this formula. All formulas in Excel starts with equal. Thank you.